Okay, so what is your favorite color?
I am so evil.
Black fingers. Brown because brown keeping
Oh, that's a
pink or
YouTuber.
purple. Hello. Red, black, another color is pink. I don't know my favorite
Okay,
color.
I think you like pink.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, you're here with your best friend. Now love people / now Lily / new jammer. Since I'm a new jammer.
What kind of videos do you like watching?
Ooh, honestly, I like trolls.
Every single one. I do like troll videos. They're funny.
Yeah.
What do you do for fun? Listen to music or books?
Oh, warrior can I do that? Oh wait, first we're going to do.
Yo, play AJ.
First we're gonna do. First we're going to do Cool Cat and then me. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't wear shorts, dude. I wear what is it called? Skirts. Yeah, I wear skirts. I guess I wear colorful clothes. But... Who is my favorite YouTuber?
Okay. Justin Bieber.
No. I don't know. It's either a party or Wisteria Moon.
Wisteria Moon.
Wisteria Moon.
Okay, I'm gonna choose a party.
Will you like, follow, comment, or like?
What? Okay, so just make.
I don't know. Okay, no. This is the last question. Okay, no. This is the last question. What? Cuff? What? Do you think that's like kiss? I don't know.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
I want to do my own choices.
I most like Julian 2 AJ.
Julian 2? Why Julian 2? Well, okay, now my turn.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so now let's reload it. So I'll do the answers for you. So for color.
Okay, so black and other colors. I like watching shorts.
Good.
Okay. Okay, so maybe like
Play AJ, do stuff.
I do stuff.
You do stuff.
Yeah. I usually wear like I'll wear like I don't know,
like anything.
Yeah, I'll wear anything.
So that's I don't know.
I'm actually wearing like
a dress. Oh, right. And then, so who is your favorite YouTuber?
Narwhals.
Love Narwhal AJ? I'm actually subscribed to everyone here.
Narwhals
swimming in the ocean.
Okay.
Will you like, follow, comment, or like?
Sure.
Okay, no. This is the last question. Do you kiss?
Oh wait, no. No, that's it.
Oh.
You're Why am I him?
Apart. Okay. Now let's redo this.
I can't believe it.
So
why?
I'm not really into pink anymore.
Why?
I like always.
Why am I a party?
I do stuff.
You do stuff that no one needs to know.
No way. I'm gonna redo this because
Why is the Wisteria Moon in the background?
Wisteria Moon's in the background! Ah! Showing videos a bit more. I like to talk with friends, honestly. What do you... Who's your favorite? Wisteria Moon! Sure.
Why are you using mine?
Yeah! Why is I'm most like Mr. Moon? Okay, honestly, this is awesome.
No, this is weird because some people ship Mr. Moon.
Oh gosh.
No.
Gosh!
Okay, my turn. And I actually get to click this time.
Mr. Moon!
Purple or pink?
Purple or pink?
Baby one. No.
So first it was Julian to gosh.
So
Weird.
what do you do for fun? So I actually sometimes like
Read?
books. No.
You read?
No, I normally read like stuff that has
I
to do
thought
with
you
like,
played like Roblox and Animal Jam stuff.
yeah, like
and
I-
watch YouTube.
But like every single day, like I would like bring a book to school. It was like kind of like warrior cats, but like it was like something about like warrior dogs or something like that. And yeah, shirts and okay. I actually like to wear these the best, so I can show off my underwear.
What the? Who's your favorite teacher?
Oh,
Novels.
Apari.
Oh gosh.
Maybe if I have time.
You're most like Animal Jammer.
I am Wolfie Cat.
Wolfie Cat.
Wow, I am a boy and a girl. So mysterious. Wait, no. So
Mysterious.
so mysterious.
Mysterious. How did Mysterious get so popular? Tell me in the comments, please. I don't know. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe to Now Loaf People. Just kidding, it's
Now Love People.
But
subscribe to her channel.
No, please,
She
because like
needs it.
I need it so like not to make money because I don't even know how to make money.
I don't even know how.
Yeah, so
Like, guys, tell me
subscribe
how.
to me. I don't want the fame. I don't want the money. All I want is just your support to help me out and live a happy life. Because I was in the shadows before I remembered that I had a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I've been in the shadows a lot. So anyway, so I am most like Jillian to and Wisteria Moon.
Oh wow!
And then
I am most like a party and wolf.
yeah, we both got the coins.
I'm so
okay. Now, just for lulz, Wisteria Moon is out. Okay. Anyways, I just had to do that. I'm sorry.
Wisteria ugly pants.
What?
No hate on a party, please. But I hate him is the most disgusting. You
Okay. And
Uber.
are you doing the Muppet song with that?
Chill face.
Okay. Well, anyways, bye guys. See you in the next video.
I am a troll face. Please no hate on party.
Bye. Okay. Bye.
Let's make another video.
Yeah. Bye.